Okay, I gotta do this real quick. I don't know how long my battery's gonna last, but I just finished my storage system that I put in the behind my Suburban. So here it is. I know it's not that pretty. Got striking. I'm planning on putting a carpet on top just to make it look a little nicer. Probably paint the front or something. But so I did what I could with what I had. Right, I didn't have that many good tools that I could use, but it is what it is. It came out as good as I wanted it, I guess. Here's the drawer. Got my fishing tackle in there. Got my fishing tackle in there. This one, I don't know why it's closed. This one. Got some more fishing tackle, plastics, and everything. Perfect. And the only good thing about it not opening and closing that easily, I guess, with a little bit of not that much force, is I don't have to worry about it opening when I'm driving. But here it is. If you guys like what I built, let me know. What's going on, you guys? So you guys seen I finished my I guess their drawer / storage system for the back of my Suburban. I don't know if I think I explained it in my last video, but basically I'm using it so I can put all my tackle in the drawers and still have room for groceries and stuff like that, because before I had that box, I just had all my tackle and stuff right there. And even if I put it in storage bins like I used to have storage bins that I put the stuff in, it was still like in the way, and it took away from pretty much space that I could utilize. And I feel like it came out pretty good, to be honest. As you guys know, this is probably, I think it's week 3 of the quarantine. So I've been trying to find myself ways to keep busy and not just be on the game all day like I have been before. I was just playing freaking Minecraft, Red Dead Redemption, and all that stuff on my laptop. So now I'm trying to do something creative or something that'll help me in the future. I just bought these art supplies. I bought a sketchbook, and I bought this box of art supplies. It comes with a decent amount of stuff. It has the colored pencils and colored pens. And then in here, it comes with markers, fine tip, and then it has the bold tip, paint. I'm probably not gonna use the paint. What are these? Pastel crayons. And I also bought Prisma. What is it? Yeah, Prismacolor shading set, where it's like different shades of gray and black. So I'm probably going to be doing that a lot. Meanwhile, obviously I'm still going to school, but that really doesn't take much of my time. I hope you guys are staying safe. I know this COVID stuff is getting a little out of hand, I guess. Walmart is only letting a certain amount of people in at a time. They have the lines to where you have to go, and a lot of places are closed. So crazy. A lot of stuff is sold out. That's the craziest part. A lot of people over panicked and overbought a lot of stuff. So now you can only buy 1 pack of toilet paper, 1 gallon of milk at a time, which is crazy because we always get 2 gallons at a time, and that'll last us about a week and a half. And because the kids always like drinking chocolate milk and cereal in the morning. So a lot of our supplies have been diminishing because we have all the kids at the house. So we've been having to go to Walmart probably every 3 or 4 days, and that's kind of crazy because we don't want to catch the coronavirus. So, but yeah, so I hope you guys are staying safe. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna be filming. There's really nothing to film. All the gyms are closed, so all I pretty much can do is go on a run, and I'm too big to go running to. I'm way too fat. Like this shit it starts hurting my knees and my back. So I don't know. But on another note, Monsterbassco is still sending out boxes. So if you guys are interested in starting your box, maybe where you're at, fishing is not closed like it is over here. Feel free to use my link in the description. Use the Save 15. You can save $15 off your first order. And but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's not that exciting to watch me talk, but have a great day. Hopefully you guys are staying safe, and please keep busy. Do something productive. Don't just let this quarantine stuff get to you, because you start. I'm prone to. I have mental illness, so I'm prone to getting depressed easily. Sitting around the house really gets my anxiety and my depression way up there, and like even with medication, it still creeps up on me at times, and I just have those bad days. And I think the only thing that gets me out of it is keeping busy, like not going into my own thoughts and stuff like that. So keep busy. Don't let this quarantine stuff get to you. Do something productive. Don't waste your time on this quarantine. Not that, whatever. But yeah, if you guys like the video, please like, subscribe, comment. The comments are actually something that I really love to read. I reply to every single comment I get. So if you guys have anything to say, just let me know. And I love you guys. Bye.